How to sign in to your Oracle Fusion account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Oracle Fusion account. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to any web browser, and inside your browser, so once you're inside here, simply make sure you have selected the correct website. As you can see on my screen, you simply have to click on this website, that is oracle.com/arp. So once you're inside here, just click on this view account at the top right section, and once you click on it, you can see the option called create an account. Simply click on it, and then you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, inside here you will have to enter your detail like email address, your password, and your country, your first name, last name, your job title, work phone, or company name and address, as well as your city and your postal code. So once you fill up all of your details, so you can simply click on this I agree button over here and just click on your create account, and then your account will be successfully created on your Oracle Fusion account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.